If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8" 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20+ 1-clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Tough tasks effortlessly with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit. The motor produces 280 unit watts out, offering plenty of power. A 2-speed gearbox allows for torque control in drilling and fastening applications, while a half-inch keyless chuck makes it easy to change bits. It includes an LED light that helps provide illumination in dark work areas, as well as a V20 20-volt max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator. And when you're finished, it stores conveniently within reach. Whatever the job is, do it right with the V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.